Hi, welcome to our video. This is Malathi, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Applications, PG in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to see about and we are going to know about the descriptive models. The topic has been present in from the course Machine Learning for Everyone. The students wants to learn this topic to prepare a model to perform the task. Yes, nowadays we are implementing all the projects in AI, the generative AI. So we must come to know about all these techniques and all these types of models. And in this descriptive models, we can particularly going to know about how do we summarize the data and how do we characteristic the data sets to implement those data sets into the model to perform the task. Descriptive model summarizes and organizes data and it provides insights without making any predictions. The predictions can make only by the predictive model. That is the next prescriptive model and then the predictive model. At that stage we can have the predictions, how the model is going to perform and how the model is accuracy and validate the model accuracy. And the purpose of using descriptive model, why do we use this descriptive model? The primary purpose is to simplify the complex data set for easier understanding. Yes, when we insert the raw data into the model, it will get confused and the result will not 100% accurate. Then in this particular descriptive model, we can summarize and we can filter the data which only needs for the particular model, and it will be helpful for the model. It will not confuse with the all other data and it can make the decision perfectly. And of course the users need the 100% result, and then only the users can use that particular model, and it will be also the successful product in the market too. So these models are widely used in marketing, finance and healthcare. And what are the types of descriptive model? We shall see the three types in this particular descriptive model: the statistical summarizers, graphs and charts, and data tables. How can we summarize the data? We can use the statistical summarizers. Like if we have the numerical data sets, we can measure it using mean, median, mode and standard deviation methods to filter the data sets and overview the data sets, and we can insert into the model for the training and testing process. And the graphical and chart representation methods, yes, everyone can easily understand if it is a visual representation. So for that method we can apply the process of graphs and chart method. And the data tables, we can have a Excel table. If it is a numerical data values, it can clearly explain all the tables, which the row contains this column contains this. It will have a better comparison too. And once the model gets the data, it can segregate it and it can ignore the data which overfits, and it can ask for the data which underfits for taking the decision. And what are the techniques we used in this type of data analytics? This descriptive data analytics, we have a statistic technique like frequency distribution and cross tabulations, help in summarizing data efficiently. Yes, nowadays we are using Power BI, Tabla, all these tools to have the data visualize the data efficiently. So for that we also need to use all these types of techniques. We are using in the especially this descriptive models. Then utilizing all these tools to create visualization that can highlight the data which is in the trend, and also compare the data, and it gets the relationship and the patterns of the data. And the cluster analysis, a method that groups similar data points together. It helps to verify the patterns and the segments, and it filters the unwanted data separately, and it filters the need data separately. And what are the benefits? Why should I use this model to perform the task? Yes, this provide a clear picture of data, making it easier for the stakeholders to grasp complex information. Yes, everyone needs the 100% accuracy, and the users are the stakeholders expects that 100% result. So for that we should use this type of model. And the descriptive model support informed choices and strategies in business and research. Especially in the healthcare, we need to diagnose the patient, and we need to predict the disease. Yes, this model will be very helpful. Then identifying the trends. These model help in spotting trends and anomalies which will not relate to the product, which lead to the further investigation and to perform the action. And what are the limitations if we use this type of model? It do not predict future outcome. It can summarize the data, and it can implement the data to make the result, but it will not predict the 100% result. That is a limitation, and it only describes the current or past data. Then oversimplification risk. It is a risk of using the complex data, insights, and the correlations. And the quality of data. A descriptive model heavily relies on the quality and accuracy of the underlying data. If we insert the quality data, we can get the result also accuracy. So far we have seen about detailed description of descriptive models. Hope everyone can understand the type of model very well. Thank you for watching the video.